हेलमेट चाहिँ बनाउँछु म पूजा अहिले अनि बदन के सुन्न त मैले यहाँको भेट्दैन
Hello, Namaste, Vandana everyone. Happy Diwali, happy Swanti in Newari global form. We say happy Swanti. Swanti means 3 days, 3 days. Actually, this festival is about 5 different elements. Pancha Tattva. Just like Panchabhuta, Panchatattva. Our body is also made with 5 different elements. That is water, heat, space, or air. 5 different elements. So, we are every year in this time we celebrate this puja festival. What is puja? I'm going to go in detail as a welcome speech. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Jagdish Manraj Bhandari. I am also a tour guide, culture operator for this puja self-worship program. Extend a warm welcome to you all on this marvelous afternoon. It honors and purifies our body. It is a Newari festival that celebrates the body, mind, and spirit. Spirit. The purpose is to purify oneself, reflect and seek blessing for the year ahead. Puja is an annual ritual performed by the Newari people of Nepal to celebrate one's essence and to cleanse and power the soul. Ladies and gentlemen, your presence has immensely enhanced the ambience of this magnificent auditorium, extremely beautiful. Big thanks to the organizer, Kathmandu Guest House, for this wonderful organized event. A humble request, ladies and gentlemen, to kindly keep your mobile phones on the silence mode. Humble request. Please welcome with a deep round and thunders of applause. Applause, please. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What is puja? I'm going to say about in detail. Puja in Nepal is sacred ritual practice by the Newar community in Nepal. Derives its name from the Newari word "mo", means which translates to body. However, in the context of puja, mo refers to the entire self body, mind, and speech. This ritual focuses on the purification and worship on the self, recognizing the interconnectedness of physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Performed annually, puja serves as a symbolic reminder of self-care, self-respect, and spiritual path one must follow. Traditionally, the ritual is performed by families, with each member sitting in a primitive pose. They align themselves in a row according to age. But now, I don't know about your age. So it should be the elder person seat beginning and the younger at the end. I think she is the youngest, and the seat is for the eldest. According to your age, I think you are the eldest one. I hope so. Actually, I don't know myself. They align themselves in a row according to age, is oldest at the top and youngest at the bottom. This group setting underscores the communal aspect of the ritual, while the meditative posture encourages mindfulness. You know, can you sit like meditative pose. Yeah. She in meditative. She also, you also. Only skip you, not in meditative pose. She also. Everyone is good. Just skip her. Thank you. One thing I would like to clarify more about what is 5 different elements. We, the Neva community, Neva rituals, Neva tradition, Neva culture is all about the nature part. You must all know about the nature. If we cooperate with the nature, nature will protect us. If we fight with nature, nature will wipe out from this beautiful world, just like dinosaur and mammoth. Because they never try to cooperate with the nature. So they wipe out from this beautiful world. So this culture is about how to cooperate with the nature. Nature created us, so we have to love the nature. That is why we are once in a year we are celebrating this puja. Means our body free. And this all mandala, why we keep this mandala is a replica of our soul. This all mandala is a replica of our soul. We worship ourselves. How do we worship? We can worship ourselves. So we are writing in front of mandala to worship yourself by you. So this is mandala. It contains 5 different elements. And we are also offering a sopong, the Newari food. Sopong, it contains egg, boiled meat, and fish, and Newari ela with wine. Newari ela, wine, and wo. Wo means just like a bread made of some cereals. That contains 5 different elements. And these all flowers. Because natural path, what the natural path is saying that if we eat according to the nature, if we wear any uniform, any dress according to our nature, according to 20 kilometers around, that will shape your body. Quite followed by the Mahatma Gandhi. You know the Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi quite followed the nature. Mahatma Gandhi built one house in Nagapur, 1936. That was made according to nature. All the materials used to build houses around the nature, around the 20 kilometers around the nature. So even in fit or fit, no any damage. Still, the houses is still good in the nature. That is why if we follow the nature, our health becomes more strange. So if you wear any dresses, if you eat any food that belongs to nature, not chemical wise, but natural product, that will be good for your health. It will support your health. And one thing I would like to say, why we are using this all fruit. This is in our pomelo. Pomelo contains high degree of citric acid. And also cyclone. In English we say cyclone. It also contains high degree of citric acid. And the natural path for Dr. Vishnu Rai Torri always describe about if we consume, any fruit, any vegetable that came from direct from the nature, if you eat that, consume, that creates nitric acid. Nitric acid will heal your body cell. Nitric acid. For healing any disease, you should need nitric acid. And nitric acid contains potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, everything is contained. Pomelo, citron, all that. These all cereal food. We have to consume according to season. How is the season? These all vegetable like we are doing it, we are protecting ourselves, our body by nature. If you eat those all food according to nature, your health will be all stronger. So we always do precaution. This is the way of precaution to shape your health. It's all about how to keep our health by nature. And